Attention, heroes of tomorrow. Please assemble in the Avengers campus to welcome Captain America back from his recent mission in Washington, D.C. Of the world's heroes. Each hero has unique skills, talents, and powers. And we are strongest when we work together as a team. If you are eager and ready to learn, the next generation of heroes could be you. You must embrace what makes you unique. We ask those among you who are courageous, brave, and ready to work together to join us in our circle of unity. Stronger as a team. Stronger as heroes.